Hey guys, we actually built a PDF AI chat that you can upload multiple PDFs and select which PDF you can talk into, and everything will be stored in a PDF bank like a docu vault. So let's start explore. Everything is built with AI. Actually, this entire interface is made with AI, lovable, and the backend is made with N8N. So in this video, we're gonna see about how you can actually build it yourself, right? So this is the UI. I'm just giving it a demo of it. Click get started. Start analyzing for free. You will ask it to prompt a sign in, so you can sign in. I already signed up, so just imposing it. I'm just logging in. So when you log in, I already have a couple of these things. So you see an interface that it's pretty simple. You can upload any PDF, so you can click on upload and you can upload a PDF, right? There are so many PDFs here. You can use any of it. For example, this is PDF that I have. It's 791 pages or something. So it will process the PDF. So when it's processing, you can see the workflow will be triggering here, and that's how it's actually is working. So in the back end, when something is received, so the workflow is starting here and it works, yeah, like that. So it's getting a time to get this thing. So here in the backend we are using Mistral OCR. So here it happens, and so here you can check it out. It's right now running in the executions. So this is the editor, and this is the execution. It's running. The execution is completed right now. So you can check the LinkedIn carousel part is added. Now imagine you just click on it and you can chat with AI, ask questions about it. You will open a PDF, a screen like this, where you can ask questions. Hey there, how are you? Right? It might take some time. You go back here, and in the execution you can find it again. So here this is the triggering of the flow for the AI agent. This is for triggering for the OCR in general. So here it is, we are using Mistral OCR. You get post when it is triggered, it's directly going to Mistral OCR, and yeah, we have a couple of steps here to get the JSON from the OCR, and we are storing the file, right? And the AI agent here it's talking about, and we have the AI agent to like actually get it done. So after this, here we have the webhook. It is going to Supabase for storage, and we have a code module here, and we have the AI agent talking and getting back here. So you can see the entire chat functionalities, it will be in the single flow. So what is the content about, right? You can have a look at how it takes a bit of time, but it will work in the to and fro motion. See, it's about why they work, how they work, and all these things. So it's giving us detailed step-by-step process of it, right? When I go back, so I can actually select multiple things. So let's say I can select these three things, upload a PDF, sorry, back to selection. I select these three things and just select on ask questions. So this is tell me about all three, right? It's kind of like notebook LM, but in such a way built for a docu vault, and we can actually add things on top of it. Let's say so like for custom things that you need, and it's basically a RAG setup using Supabase, and the Gemini models are using Gemini in general. So 3 brand setup and all these things, it gives you everything. So using the system you can configure it, and it's pretty much amazing. The accuracy is pretty good, and yeah, hope you love it. And it's basically N8N and lovable whole thing to and fro. See you soon guys. Happy yeah, bye bye. Let me know if you want to implement the system, and you can get this workflow down below as well. Thank you, bye bye. So also we have a chat history. For example, let's say when you click on chat history, you will find all the different chats that has happened here. So you can continue on anything, and you can use it as a chat history and continue the process there as well. Just want to introduce this. See you soon guys, bye bye.